Thank you. Guys, thank you for coming with me to the Dollar Tree, and let's go through the crafters aisle, guys, to see what they have. All right, so I see the green and the natural Excelsior, guys. They have plenty of those, and they have tons of these Asian fans, so those are really nice. And then they have the clear hangers over here, wreath hangers. Then they have your foam for floral arrangements. And then they have, in this area, they have one of these foam wreaths, and then here's some of your wax warmers and your diffusers right here. Along the bottom here, you have just a few of these burlap rolls. I love those. Those are the ones with the lace. Okay. So you have the foam, which I think I need one of these. Then you have your vases here. You have this kind. And you have this kind, this is a wine glass. And then you have these vases over here with the chalkboard label. And these are your regular cylinder vases. And then down here you have the fluted ones, the tall fluted ones, and then the tall regular ones on the end. Okay, we have the liquid adhesive. Now guys, I'm gonna go through everything they have, and then if we spot something that's new, we'll spot it together. So here's the liquid adhesive. This is what they look like now, and this is what they used to look like in this packaging. Then they have the box of the felt. These are really nice, guys. Then they have the wood glue, and then they have the clear crafters glue. And they have the tacky glue, guys. Then here are your glitter glues. They're stocked with those. Then here is your stencil brush, your metal brushes, your chunky brushes, and your piercing and scoring tool. Plenty of those. Here's some more of the chunky brushes, and you got tons of the metal brushes. Then you have a pack of the numbers, the wooden numbers over here. That was random. And your paint brushes. And then you have your art foam roller with tray. Then here you have some paints. Let's see what's down here. Okay, so we see more of these trays, and those back there, these have the stars. And this is the owl. This is the house. They have these kind over here. It's a box with like the drawer with the wood cut out. This is a butterfly. This is the flower. And I think that's a butterfly over there too. So then you have some more of these trays. These are pretty neat. And they're there with the star. And you have the adhesive dots over here. I'm going to go through this quickly because we've already seen these. And then these are the finger painting for the kids. Over here you have all of your little washable paints. And a lot of these are already gone. Look how cute these little tiny canvases are. Let me see, it's a 4x6, but they look so small. Okay, and these here are the panels. And what are they? They are 8x8. I've never seen that, 8x8. I wonder if I could do something with those. Okay, and then they just have two more boxes of these, and these are the 5x7s, guys. They have them here. They have them in the white, the green, the pink, the darker pink, and the lighter pink. See how beautiful that white is? I wonder if I could do something with that. Then over here they have one more of the jute twine left. So here, guys, they have the chalkboard tags. So they have it in this shape, the round, this shape, and this shape, the heart. They have the clothespin ones. Then they have the chalk riders, guys. These are like awesome. Here's the purple, the white, that hot pink, the purple. Here's the metallic gray. Here's the blue. Here's some purple. Here's another blue. These are the chalkboard stakes. Then you have your embossing stylus over there. And here you have the rose gold, the gold, and the metallic silver. Those are really nice, guys. And then here they have it in the blue. And then this one here, I think, I don't know, I guess that's a rose gold. So they have tons of these wood blocks. They're very filled with those. Then they have these mini glass containers, and these are the squeeze applicators. So then they have the fastener strips, and here are the finger protectors, guys. These work. So if you see them, grab them. Then they have the googly eyes in the multicolor. Here's some more of those glass jars. And here's the jewel gems in the hearts multicolor. Then they have the pom-poms and the feathers. And then they have this residue glue, which I haven't tried. They have the glitter. This is the red. I haven't tried the red yet. And there's the purple over there. And these are the cork sheets. I haven't tried these either, but I gotta think of something to do with those. Then here you have the foam stickers, the cutout shapes. I don't know, circles. These have all the shapes. And then these have the instruments and the music notes. Then these are the felt letters. Oh, they're the black. Okay, those are the numbers, though. I was looking for the felt letters, but in the black, they don't have them. So the felt letters, they have them in the white. Here's the felt. They all say numbers. You got to be careful because I came home with the numbers instead of the letters. So here's the washi tape, and those 3 kinds right there. Then they have the fastener dots and the reclosable bags. And over here they have the glitter packets and the glitter shakers over here in these colors. Then they have the round dots, the baker's twine, and this is some confetti scatter in that blue I love. And here's the sequins, guys. I wonder if I should do, I haven't used the sequins. I don't know, but they have that. And then they have the glitter packets over there. And then here's the tube confetti. The tube confetti is so beautiful. Look at those colors back there. And these. So the clothespins is really cool, guys, because they have them in this medium size right here and the little tiny ones right here. So then they have the pearls and the white and then the ivory. Then they have the star gems and then the googly eyes, but in the black and the white. Then they have these heart gems in that peridot color and those oval ones in the pink back there. Then they have these the metallic pony beads in the multicolor, and then here they are in silver, and here they are in gold. I love those. Here are the alphabet ones, and here's the slightly bigger gems in the multicolor. So these two are the same. Then they have the glue sticks for the small glue gun. And this is the small glue gun construction paper right here. Then they have these color beads. Look at this one. This one's in a multicolor. Those are really fun. Okay, and then these are the craft sticks, popsicle sticks. And then those are the foam white ones. So let's see, they have more felt over here, and then they have these craft boxes in the heart, the round, and the square. Right? So they have the butterflies, which is really nice. And these are the rub-on transfers. I'm going to try to see because some of them are mixed in. Okay, so these are rub-on transfers, rub-on. These are the regular stickers. So you got to watch when you're getting them that you don't get the rub-ons if you want the stickers or vice versa. So these are the rub-ons. These are the regular stickers. Some of them are mixed in with the rub-ons. These are nice. Then I'm loving their stickers. Look at this, guys. Isn't that fun? I love that. Is the unicorn one. And look at this one, the llama. Okay, so these are dinosaurs, and what are these? These are the animals. And look at the sloth. That's so cute. Then I'm loving these, and they come in colors, guys. Look at that. Okay, so these are stencils, and you can actually tell by the color. So these are the light blue ones, and then these are the regular stencils, and I like the fonts. See the font, guys? They change. I love the fonts, guys. So you get those are regular stencils, and these say flexible stencils. So those also come like in different fonts. See them? Wait, I want to knock this down. All right, so they have that. They have that one and that one. Okay, so then they have these flexible stencils, and they have the animals, dance, ballet. Okay. So there's nothing new that I see here. So these are also flexible stencils. And then they have this. I think this is new. This is the meow. What else they have? So then I love that one that says home with the tree. And then here's the wolf, the dog. And those are butterflies. So here, guys, you see what I mean? Look how beautiful that is. I love those. Okay, those are the unicorns, and then these are the elephants. Those are the snails. These are the butterflies, and these are the gem stickers. Absolutely gorgeous. So we're just going to skim through them because we've already been through this section here. And then let's go over here. So now they have the wood numbers, the dinosaur wood shapes. Then they only have one of these, and they have two of the heart-shaped wooden cutouts, and then they have quite a bit of the flower ones. Then they have these picture frame ones. These right here have chalkboard in the middle. Here's some more of the flowers, and then they have the stars, and then they have the 3D ones. This I think I might have showed you that. So they have, this is the cat, that's the flower, and that's the pineapple, the dog, and there's another one missing. So this one is the cute sign. Here's the arrow sign. Okay, so here's the stand-up chalk. Here's the little boxes with the laser cutouts. All right, so here is the dog, the moose, and the unicorn. They have that cat one back there, and then they have the chalkboard with that little easel thing in the back. So then over here you have the dinosaur and another, those animal cutouts. Then over here you have these. I told you these are really good, guys, for like storing stuff in or even making a tiny arrangement. So this is pineapple, and that's the apple. Those are the birdhouses, and those are the picture wood cutouts with the stand. And then these are the crosses. This is the unicorn, and those are more of the wood cutouts. And I see a cactus. Little vases. I think I need one of these tall tea holders, so I'm going to grab one of those. So they have the tea lights and the 3 sizes, and they have this vase. They have the heart vase, and then they have this one. This is a very pretty vase. And then they have the fishbowl vases, and this is the next size down. See, I'll show you the difference. See the sizes? And then here is the different kind of vase, and then here are the square ones right here. So here, guys, they have the pebbles and the marbles. These are the green ones. I'm sorry for the noise, guys. And these are the black ones. These are pretty nice. Okay, let's see. Okay, so here they have the raffia. Then they have the moss balls. There's 3 in this pack. And then over here, they have the succulent clips. Then they have the flat candle holders right there, and they have the butterfly cutouts here. The 2 moss balls here, the bigger ones, and then here the 3 in a pack. So here they have this vase and this vase. I find that vase to be very unusual shape. That's a very nice shape. Okay, so they don't have any more of the gemstones, but they do have the sea glass, guys. Then you have the sand. Okay, and then you have the white rocks. So let's see. Oh, and then this is another shaped vase that is very different. Then they have this one that looks like a carafe, and then that's a butterfly. Here's the star vase, and these are the stemless wine glasses, guys. I don't know why they're over here, but let's keep it moving, guys. Okay, so then you have the homemade. I like that. And they have this kind. That's very pretty. Let's see. So they do have the candle holders if you need them. They're very scarce though, but it looks like they must have got a shipment in. So here's the white frost with the gold top, and the black with the gold. I love these. Let me see. So they have some more of these flat candle holders. These. Then they have these mirrors over here with the gold trim. And these, I think these are new. Okay, marine moss. And then this one says suede and amber. I don't think I've seen these, but we've seen these, guys. Look how nice these are. This is from Miss to Mrs. And I don't see the other ones. There's two other kind. So you have the two votives in the glass, which this is nice. Then you have the three votives right there, but without the candle in the pack. Then you have these over here, guys. These came back. This is gelato, raspberry gelato, peaches and cream, and peaches and cream. What's this one? Peaches and cream. Okay. So then they have these gold and these candles right here. I like the shape of these. Okay. And then they have these. These are my favorite. I love the way they look. The iridescent ones, I like those. And they have these kind. These have been here for a while. Okay, let's see. Then you have the luminescence ones. And this one here says iris. I don't know if that's new. And you have the regular tea lights, the tall ones. These guys used to come with more of the crystals, but now they come with less. I still like them anyway. For $1, that's nice. So, and you have these tea lights. These are changing color, and then these are the regular white ones. So here you have, okay, the spice pumpkin tea lights and the cinnamon spice. Then you have these luminescence in vanilla, and here is black cherry. Here is apple cinnamon. Then you have the lavender, the black cherry, the apple cinnamon, the fresh linen. Then you have the incense and your essence, fragrance oils. Then you have, oh, look how cute, life is sweet. Okay, I like these jars. The colors are so beautiful. And those are the regular taper candles and the potpourri on the bottom, the incense holders. What did we say? I think we've seen these. Okay, I just showed these to you. Okay, then you have these candle holders. These over here. You just scan that through for you guys because none of these are new. We've seen these before. Okay. And then you have your diffusers up here and your wax warmers and stuff. Your stickers and your tea lights and the stars and the red and the blue. And that's it, guys. So thank you for coming with me to the Dollar Tree, and I will see you guys in another video.